Everybody, I'm going to be redoing my Mavis makeup tutorial. I know the last one wasn't very good, so I hope that this one turns out alright. So the first thing I do is put my lenses in before my makeup because you don't want to get an infection. I get these lenses, they're the Nebulos from Unique So. I'll put a link in the description. I use this primer for my makeup and it's really good. It's as good as, it's like a dupe for Tatcha. So I'll put a link for that as well in the description. I bought this new white eyeliner because the one that I've been getting is discontinued. So we're gonna try that out today. I already did one eye and I'm using this NYX Jumbo pencil to do my eye. And I just go down on the waterline right here. So I take a black eyeshadow. This is BH Cosmetics. They make really good eyeshadows. I'll link that on the bottom. I just use a little bit of the black right here. And I just smooth it out on my eye. Next, I'm going to use my eyeliner. This is a Stila one. I liked using Kat Von D, but there's any eyeliner, stick eyeliner you like, you can use for it. And I just draw my regular line. And then I just kind of go downward with it. So to get this fake lash line right here, I usually use these fake eyelashes, which I can link in the description, but I'm gonna draw it on this time. Blend the rest of my eyelashes with a mascara. Any mascara is fine. My top lashes, this is a cheap pack off of Amazon. I can put it in the description. I use magnetic lashes, but I prefer to glue mine on. These use a magnetic liner and you can just stick them on. I got this new lipstick from Glam Goth Beauty and I'm gonna try it out. It's in the black. Put a little bit of blush on my cheeks, and then after that I'm gonna put my teeth in, and that is the complete Mavis look.